How to listen to music while playing on Roblox. Now, for this method, there's actually two methods that you can do. First things first is you can actually use your built-in music player for your Android device. Like for mine, I have a music player, DD Music, built in with my system apps on my Android device. But for this method, you need to have your music download first so that you can play it along with your Roblox application. Now, second method is you can use YouTube Music, this app right here. You'll just have to download and install YouTube Music through your Play Store and search for any music you want while playing Roblox. Now, before doing all of these processes, make sure that under your Roblox application, you need to turn down all the volumes. So if you play any games that you want, that's when you lower down all the volumes from that game. So the music will not play, or the sounds for YouTube Music or from your built-in MP3 player from your Roblox application will not play together at once. So you'll have to turn down all the volumes from your game on Roblox before you play that music on your preference. So that's how you listen to music while playing Roblox.